Morning, guys. So I want to show you guys one of our trees that we have. It's called the Jamaican Cherry Tree, and another name for it is Strawberry Tree because the flowers that it produces before the fruit looks just like what a strawberry flower would look like. What makes this tree interesting is that the fruit that it gives, they're very small little tiny cherries, right? But what makes it interesting is they actually taste just like cotton candy. There's the flower. And there's the cherries. So this one we have in the ground. We just bought this one about a month ago. Then we have a second one in a container. And again, the flowers like go up, and then once the pot gets pollinated, they drop like this one here. And then as they ripen, they drop down like this. Anyway, but these berries or cherries, whatever you want to call them, they're very sweet. It's almost like a fig flavor, but they actually do taste like cotton candy ice cream or just regular cotton candy that you would get at a fair. Let me try popping this one off. I'll take a bite so you can see how it looks on the inside. There you go. It's a little bit grainy, almost like a grape, but it has a very delicious, distinct flavor. Anyway, just wanted to show you guys that real quick. Alright, that's it for now. Have a good day, guys. Thanks for checking in.